All right, welcome back. 5:14 now as we look live from the Inner Harbor. Looks a little smoky already from this view. Obviously, once the sun comes up, we'll be able to tell a little bit better, and some of our satellite imagery is picking up on that smoke as well. So you may be impacted if you are one of those sensitive groups like the elderly, or if you suffer from respiratory illnesses, if you have a heart condition, things like that. You may want to limit your time outdoors or just not do any strenuous activity outside if you can because of the air quality being so poor today, and it may even worsen as we head through tonight into tomorrow as the thicker, at least concentration of smoke from the wildfires in Canada kind of gets sent down towards us. High heat and humidity also expected today. Temperatures easily going to be back in the 90s and the humidity only making it feel hotter. Again, just a reminder, air quality is unhealthy for sensitive groups today, but could be worse for all as we head through tomorrow. And then there's also the risk for severe weather today. It's a marginal one, but if one storm does develop, it will have the potential of becoming strong, if not severe. Here's the latest on the air quality alert in effect. It does extend outside of just our viewing area up north towards Pennsylvania, out east and northeast from Delaware up to New Jersey and parts of New York. They're all experiencing the same type of smoke from the wildfires in Canada. Here's a breakdown of high temperatures, or not high, just hourly temperatures really, and your heat index values per hour. By 8 o'clock, we'll probably feel like 89, maybe even feeling like the triple digits as early as lunchtime today, potentially seeing a heat index of 104 for several hours this afternoon here in the Baltimore area. Now here's the latest on our Futurecast model that shows you that isolated chance of a thunderstorm. As you notice right here, that thunderstorm could produce damaging wind and maybe even some very heavy, if not flooding, rain. After that, that's pretty much all we're tracking for today into tonight. And then tomorrow starting out dry with some hazy sunshine or smoky skies expected. And it looks like we'll get into the afternoon dry as well until we head into Saturday. Saturday starting out dry with the exception of an isolated shower, and then scattered thunderstorms will bubble up during the day as our next system pushes through. Now this will likely bring us all hazards possible as we make our way through the afternoon on Saturday into the evening hours. And then what happens Saturday night will determine what we see Sunday, because the front that's going to push through, if it goes too far south, we get missed with storms on Sunday altogether. But if it meanders just a little bit farther north, then we'll have an additional round of thunderstorms possible Sunday as well. Right now, severe risk is marginal today, but it does go up to slight on Saturday. That's how much confidence the Storm Prediction Center has for that threat for severe weather Saturday afternoon. Also to note, the humidity going down briefly tomorrow may be a bit muggy, but it goes right back up as we see that surge in moisture, and also going to be a warm day temperature-wise in the 80s, but certainly going to feel very tropical out there. Here's your 7-day forecast. We've got impact icons up extending into Saturday. Friday, more so for the air quality. That's why we've got the impact icon up. 93-year high tomorrow afternoon. 80s expected this upcoming weekend, and then we'll kind of teeter back and forth between the mid to upper 80s early next week, with our next best chance of rain after this weekend not arriving until next Tuesday. So we've got chance of rain, dry day, chance of rain, dry day. Pretty much sing-songy here for your chances of thunderstorms over the next week as we enter into the second half of July.